between Team Red
nandun si Lebrong eh.
and Team Blue.
Si Lebrong, babantayan ko. Okay na?
Babantayan mo?
Nedbron to eh.
Nedbron.
Nasa loob si Nedbron, nasa loob. Wala lang palbas ngayon, tsaka durag. Pero nandito si Nedbron. O, tingnan nyo, babantayan na si Lebrong. Lebrong versus Nedbron.
For Team Red, sa Team Blue naman ang umuna as Sunny J pulls up and knocks down the three. Shots from the three. Potaniel waits for backup. Hezi. Pass to Lebron. Red team has shoot. Big side for the red team. Sunny J. Zealot inside. Lebron powers his way inside. For the Bruce and the Deuce. May kasama pang foul. Second. Bigay ang ating laban. Here is Daily Fantasy. Athlete. Rotan. Okay. Rotan. 3, 2, 1. Athlete to beat the clock. Jumper, yes! Last 2 minutes of the ball game. Rotan may need this one, yes! Rotan, nagmamadali, okay na, super! He gets to this!
Foul! Yes.
By 7. Over the foul. Important free throws by the Team Red.
Kinabahan.
They need this.
Kinakabahan eh.
From here.
5-point lead for Team Blue. Zealot by this. And they face. That's the ball. And 2 points is